In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 new tools from Google that you can use right now for free. You will learn how to create apps, AI agent, images, and even music for completely free. And lots of things you would normally have to pay a lot of money for. So let's go. Okay, so if you want to start developing our app, we should go to this website, which is called gemini.google.com/app. I know many people already know this, but if you haven't been using this for a while, we have now this section here which is called Canvas. We click on it and we'll be able to create code and any document we want. So let's start doing our app. So for this example, I'm going to create an app that allows users to create monthly payments, calculate interest and amortization tables for different type of loans. Something simple, right? So as you can see, now it's going to open a 2-section menu, right? Here they are going to give you the step-by-step, and you can see here it's generating the whole code, and they also have a preview section where you can actually see how the app is looking. Let's go for an example. Let's say we want to ask for $10,000 and the interest rate would be, I don't know, 5%, and we want to pay it in, I don't know, 2 years, right? So we click on calculate and the app actually works. So it says we have to pay $438 per month, and the interest in total for the 2 years is going to be $529. Okay, it's going to give us also the balance at the beginning, monthly payments, this is called capital as well, interest, and the ending balance. And at the end of the 2 years we're gonna have a $0 debt. But that's not all. I mean, the app works, right? But what if I want to add something else? Let's say we want to add an About Us page down below. It's gonna take a while, but at the end it should give us this result. Now we have this About Us page. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of basic, but let's say I don't like this white. Let's say we want to have light and dark mode as well. So here we have it. We actually have a dark mode, and we can actually switch it back, which is great. Depending on your idea, the app will need different things to work. Not only this code, of course, but if you want me to go deeper, let me know in the comments. But for now, let's see the second tool. Tool number 2, music effects. Well, in this case, we have to go to this website, which is called labs.google. Here we scroll down until we find view all. And then we're going to try to find something called music effects, which is right here. So let's click on it. Okay, music effects is an experimental AI-powered tool developed by Google that enables users to generate tracks based on text descriptions, right? So they give us some samples, but they are so random and they don't make sense. So let's try with, I don't know, a basic track like a reggae song. And let's see how it sounds. So yeah, pretty basic. But now the interesting part comes when you add more styles to it. Like for example, I don't know, chill. Now as you can hear, these songs are mixing, right? Now let's add more chill to it. As you can see, now the colors are mixing here as well. So each color represents the type of music that is playing, right? So let's add something else. Pretty good, right? You can keep adding and adding more styles, and so you can try, you can adjust the density of the tracks, you can adjust the brightness, which means like details, right? Also the chaos, if you want it low or high. The more chaos, the more abstract or random the song is going to be. And you can actually export the song and you can play this. can see all the different type of songs we were adding. And yeah, you just download it and you have your song. It's totally free and you can use it on YouTube videos. You have no copyright restrictions whatsoever. With the next tool, we're going to be able to create images for free. And the process is pretty simple. Go back to Google Labs. Now, try to find image effects. Let's try something simple here. Well, that actually looks like Ragnar Lodbrok. You know, if you know the series Vikings, this is him. So yeah, good results. Let's try with something else. Yeah, pretty good results. This has little to none customization settings, but in case you're in a rush and you need to create a design quickly, this is your go-to option, okay? The next tool is great, but like anything free, it comes with some limitations. We are going to be using Google Labs Gems. These are AI-powered assistants designed to help users with tasks across Google's ecosystems. Users can create, modify, and interact with gems to automate workflows across Google apps, like Gmail, Google Docs, you name it. You can provide instructions, define how the gem should behave, and the kind of information it should consider, and the tone it should adopt. You don't need to be a prompt engineer expert to use this feature. However, gems cannot yet be used to generate images, and it cannot be used with real-time conversational feature at the moment. It is expected to be extended to other devices like cars and smart home devices in the near future, but we will have to wait for that. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.